All right, guys, I'm in the bathroom. And if you've come to this channel, you probably know I do a lot of shaving. But I'm not testing a shaving product today. I'm testing a leather product. Lost Dutchman Leather Company. And they make these unique wallets. In fact, here's one. It's called the Original Fin and Russet. It's just beautiful. They have this drop every Thursday and they have a grab bag. It's a mystery product. And in this box, I could get any of their models. It could be a second, it could have an imperfection, it could be a return. For $40, you take a gamble and I don't know. I'm excited to see what it is. Every Thursday, they have drops. And some Thursdays, or on some drop days, they have I got a sticker. $40 for a sticker. No, but they do send you a sticker. And I'm gonna put that on my
jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Dude. Let's see. Ooh. Here's About the Franklin 2. I got the Franklin 2. All right, so let's see. The Franklin 2 is my mystery wallet. It comes in this little case. And this is the Franklin 2. So in the Franklin 2, it's a wider wallet, which is what I've been looking to use. It's got a slot here for cash, for your cards. Little slit back here for your cash. It's a folding wallet, so there's no sewing. And this will give me the chance to see if I want a wider wallet. Because I have my eye on the Big Fin 2. So this is the original one I have. It's called the Original Fin and Russet. And this is the Franklin. All right, in this nice brown. Again, there's no sewing involved in the Franklin. Let me read what it says.
Part of our mission at Lost Dutchman Leather is to never stop improving. This applies to our process, our skills, and of course our products. We looked at our best-selling wallet and asked ourselves, how could we make it even better? Meet the Franklin sequel. It's everything you love about the original, now with an even longer list of convenient features.
So that's it. I'm super excited and stoked to try and test out the Franklin. Again, it's got the Lost Dutchman inside, fits about 10 cards, some cash on the side, and I'll give this a go, and I'll see if I like this more than the Original Fin. But that's my quick review of the drop, the grab bag. Now, what's great about this leather is the imperfections that might be here. Over time, leather ages and gets it's like wine, it gets better with time. So, all right, that's it. I'm excited. Hope you guys are too. And I want to thank the Lost Dutchman Company for sending me this original Lost Dutchman wallet, which I love. And I loved it so much, I took a chance and got the Franklin too. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think of this wallet. And I'll see you guys next time. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Roll the music.
Roll the music.
Dude.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could